Today I'm going to show you how to get started with keto, or if you're already in keto, how to take it up to the next level. So to start, just go to www.simplyketonutrition.com. And when you get here, you're going to click on ebooks. And we have a bunch of ebook cookbooks here, but you're going to go to the second one, which is Kickstart Keto in 14 Days. And then you'll download the ebook, and it looks like this. And here you're going to learn everything you need to know about keto, the benefits of keto, the do's and don'ts of keto, why you should do keto, and a lot of other very useful information. And then you're going to see a day-by-day guide over 14 days with all of the recipes and what to eat each day. And you'll start with breakfast. And here you're going to have pancakes or waffles. And then for dinner, you're going to have chicken. And for dessert, you're going to have chocolate chip cookies. And believe it or not, those are all keto recipes. And then you'll recap your day. And you'll do this for 14 days. You're going to get tons of recipes. You're going to get many lunch options, even fast food options. And here's a great dessert. This is our chocolate chip cookies with ice cream. And you'll continue to do this for the 14-day period. And by the end of this, you'll be in ketosis. And you can see how the recipes are broken down with the ingredients and the instructions, and many of them have video tutorials. So when you're done with the 14 days, it's not over. You can go to our recipe section of our website. Just click on recipes up top. And there's literally, 50, 60 recipes in here, including donut holes. We even have a donut hole cookbook. One of our favorites is these jalapeno cheddar biscuits, which we love to make with barbecue. So you could just select recipes here and fit them in either for lunch or dinner. And there's dessert options as well. So there's really no reason not to get started, and it's really this easy.